jungle.
Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sajia and I am a DevOps engineer, Oktoberfest winner, technical writer and open source project maintainer and contributor. Today we will contribute in Kubernetes. So let me tell you, to contribute in Kubernetes, you need some expertise in Kubernetes. But no worries, we will start with non-code contributions. So this is an issue and I have already assigned myself here. You can read this, links are in description, but I will give you a brief idea. The issue is simple. As we know, we can't give same name to two resources, irrespective of API version. Author wants to add this clarity in documentation. So we need to add a link to this page about API version so that user can understand API resources is not distinguished by API version. It's distinguished by API group, resource type, namespace and name. So this is a link which is needed to be added on this page. On this page. So for clarity, it will be helpful. Okay, so let's do it. It's simple. So first check which repository have an issue. So first head to that repository. I have already forked this for my contribution work. Okay, so here we can see the link is in documentation part. So this page we can find in documentation part. So let's move to it's English, that's why first we need to move to content en. I know this because I have contributed it earlier as well in different issues, so I know this, but you can just remember or ask members. Documentation and concept. So we will move to concepts. Okay, then overview, working with objects and names. Okay, let's find overview. Here it is. Overview, working with objects. Okay, so what was the last one? Names. It's here. We got it. Never ever contribute in main branch. Always make your new branch. As you can see here, this is from my previous contributions. Okay, we will make a new branch here. So branch name would be Sajia object. Give a name which can be relatable so you can remember it. Okay, then we will switch to that branch. Okay, so we need to go again. Content en. Documentation docs. And then what was next one? Docs concept, overview, working with object. Concept, overview, working with objects, and last one was names, I think. Names, yes it is. So finally we got our documentation page, which is similar to this one. This one. It's the same page. Okay. Okay. So let's contribute here. We will edit this file. Let's do it. Okay. So for the first time, we get confused with edit file and preview. Preview is completely different and edit is completely different, which is kinda confused. But no matter, no worries. With the time, you will get things. Okay, so let's contribute. We will contribute under names because our issue was about names. We can't give same name to two resources, right? So we will contribute here, and it will be above note because we know note is the last part of any part. So we will contribute here. So I kinda like this line, so I will bring it here. And also this one, it's more of easy and relatable, so I am taking this 2 line to make changes accordingly. Okay, so let's arrange that. So I have just arranged these lines and I have put stars here and here just to bold this line. Let me show you. And here it is. Okay, so last work is to add a link. Okay, so let's do that. We will put our link in this one. Okay, so let's bring it here. Okay, we got it. Let's see how it looks. It looks kinda nice, I think. Names are unique across API version of the resource. API resources are distinguished by the API group, resource type, namespace for namespace resources, and name. In other words, API version is irrelevant in this context. Okay, so for me it looks nice. If further change is needed, members will review this PR and ask me to make a change. Okay, so for this, we'll commit our file. And we will contribute here. Okay. This is a benefit of fork. You can directly get this notification and we can update our file or contribute here directly. Sorry. Okay, so they are just saying that give us a description and a brief of what problem you are solving and how you are solving. So we just need to describe this, and let me describe this. Hello We start with a hello. So the first work we need to do is the hash number of this, not hash number, the issue number of this issue. Let me show you a magic. Comes directly here. Okay, so we will add that. I would like to contribute you can add what changes you are doing, but this will be displayed. Let me show you once again. Okay, so you can also describe about what you are changing, how you are changing, and why you are changing. But I don't think it's important, because here you can easily see what I am changing, and from issue number you can easily see why I am changing. So I don't think it's needed, but it's personal choice, right? Okay, so let's see if our checks will be passed or not. So till then, let me give you some tips and tricks. Yes, this is a Kubernetes robot who is responsible to give different labels. Okay, so this label CNCF, CLA, yes. What is that? This is a agreement or contract, we can say. You need to sign that before contributing in Kubernetes. It's easy than anything else. If you want to know about it, let me know in the comment section, and I will make a video on this as well. Okay, or another thing, I told you to make a different branch than main branch. Why? Because I have gone through that mistake. I have contributed in Kubernetes in main repo, and after that, when the file changes and after review, we get 20 to 25 commits to squares at a final merge time. So what I did, I just messed up my code spaces, and I can't merge my PR just because I can't squash my commits. It's unmergeable. So it was the problem I have faced. So I'm just asking you not to ever commit in main repository. Make your branch, edit that branch after a merge, and you are good to go. Okay, give this video a like. I'm an introvert, but I'm doing this for a community work, so please give this video a like. Also visit my GitHub profile and give me a follow there. Okay, and subscribe to this channel for daily updates. And if you are a complete beginner, ask me to make a beginner friendly video to contribute in a small project where you can get a basics of Git and GitHub. So I will do that as well. Also, you can check out my first video as well. And if you want to know more about my journey, follow me on Twitter and LinkedIn. Until then, bye bye.